What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over our friend Fantom FTM. Currently sitting at 228. We're down about 4% on the day. We're sitting at market cap of 5.77 billion. 24-hour volume, 1.47 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's jump into Fantom. We're here on the 4-hour time frame. So you can see here, guys, we wick down. The bears are running out of strength. When you see those wicks, the bears are trying to push down the price, and the bulls are like, I do not think so. We have a bullish divergence not only on the 4-hour time frame. You can see on the RSI as well as on the money flow. Big bullish divergence here on the money flow. If we look at the 1-hour time frame as well, bullish divergence, low, lower low, higher low on the money flow as well. So we may see a nice little push up here. We met the target from our descending channel, and we've created a bit of a bear flag. So if we come up and you see us hit resistance at 232 and you see us roll, that's when this pattern can play out. And I'll give you your breakdown target. Could bring us all the way back down just below our next buy zone at 191, seeing about $1.89. However, guys, if I pop over to Fantom on the daily time frame, we do have the EMAs. I have been talking about a retest of these EMAs. We're getting a little bit overextended. So if we can hold the 55 EMA on the daily, coming in about 213, and we can bounce and we take out this high, that would be a good sign of continuation. However, guys, if we come up here and we get rejected and then we start to roll, we'll have a little bit of a head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So if that pattern were to take form, I'll drop in our neckline here. My little markings here are terrible, but just try to ignore them. And that little pattern could bring Fantom down, depending on the point of break, to about $1.39. So keep an eye on that as well. We do have that larger head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, that I've been covering for quite a while. I do think Bitcoin would have to come down to 2830K for that to play out here. However, Bitcoin just had its own wick down. We're seeing a nice push back up. So we'll see if we push back up to this level of resistance from our falling wedge for BTC. We might also just see some consolidation where we just trade sideways for a bit. If you watch my Polygon video, I go deeper into the Wyckoff accumulation for Bitcoin. So we may see some sideways trading, but hopefully we can make some trades in that time frame. If we can push up here, we get back above 232. We are break evens coming in at about 250 with our dollar cost average strategy. And then our first take profit zone is 268. Sell 50%, let the rest ride. All right, guys. So if we do create that right shoulder, we definitely could come up to that take profit zone at 268 for FTM. So just a quick little update, guys. Just watch to see if we form a right shoulder here. Then that head and shoulders could play out. But if we can come up and take this high, we can see continuation. Or what may happen here is we just stay in between the 1.414 and the 1.618, and we just trade sideways. But if that were to play out, guys, then we can make some juicy trades during that accumulation and during that consolidation. So our bull run target's 592. The 2.272, which I do think Fantom will reach if we see Bitcoin go to 100K and beyond at $10. The 2.618 coming in at 1854 for FTM. All right, guys, we got a little bit overextended. We come back down to the EMA. So as long as we can hold them, we can see continuation. But if we lose the 55 on the daily, do target about 191. And then our next major level of support is coming in about 157 for Fantom. If you'd like to use our DCA strategy, equal amounts at each buy zone, brings your average price down halfway each time. You get ready to ride the slingshot back up. If you're leverage trading, don't recommend more than 2 to 3x. You have to double your margin. If you want early access to these charts, they're here in the Discord, as well as 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns and the DCA charts for many projects: Solana, Gala, Sand, Fantom, VeChain, Matic. Price of a coffee, $350 USD. You really can't beat it. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.